The FLASHFORGE AD5X 3D printer offers vivid multicolor printing capabilities, allowing users to create vibrant and dynamic models with up to 4 colors simultaneously. Its advanced one-click auto-leveling feature ensures seamless, high-quality prints by automatically calibrating the print bed for optimal performance. With a CoreXY structure, the printer achieves ultra-fast printing speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second, making it perfect for rapid prototyping and efficient batch production. The printer boasts exceptional print quality thanks to its dual-channel cooling fan, vibration compensation system, and a 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder. Equipped with versatile nozzle options, the AD5X can handle everything from ultrafine details to large rapid prints, catering to both precision and speed needs. User-friendly features like resume printing after power loss and remote monitoring via the FlashMaker mobile app enhance convenience and ease of use.